Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, we will study about a small topic but important, that is typecasting in Python. Casting means converting one type to another. And what do you mean by type? Type here indicates data type, like it may be integer data type, it may be string, it may be float, any kind of data type. When you want to change one data type to another data type, that is known as typecasting. So the definition is conversion of one data type to another data type. Now, why do we need to do this typecasting? Let's understand this with an example. Okay. First, we take an input, enter a number. Take an another input, enter another number. Now what I want to do, I want to do a addition function on it, a plus b. Then I want to print the sum is comma c. Let's see what happens. If I run it, then I have to give a number 10. If I press enter, oh sorry, I have written int. Here it will be input. I'm really sorry. Let's run it again. 10, give another number 20. The sum is 1020. But what did we expect? We expected it to be a number, that is 30. But here 10 is considered as a string, 20 is considered as a string, and it has done a string addition. So you get my point. Here what I need to do, I need to do typecasting. For that I will use a function called int. So here what I am doing, I am converting 10 as a which is in a string format to an integer so that I can perform the additional operation. Here also I am doing the same. And now if I run this, let's see what happens. 10, 20. So here by typecasting 10 is converted to an integer, 20 is converted to an integer, and now if I enter it will be 30. So clear? So that this is the reason why we need to do typecasting. But there are two types of typecasting. One is implicit, another one is explicit. What is implicit typecasting? Let's understand with an example. A equals to, A equals to 2, B equals to 3, and B equals to 3.5. So A is an integer, B is an float. Now I want to do additional operation. Now if I click run here and we print the C, what will happen? It will add. Here integer is added with a float. And as a programmer, I didn't need to explicitly convert the data type. System automatically did it for me. This is known as implicit conversion. System will automatically convert one data type to another. As a programmer, you do not need to worry. Okay, so this is what is implicit. But what is explicit? Explicit data type is what we have discussed before, like this one. Here, when we are giving an input as an integer, but system is considering it as a string, because by default system everything takes it as a string. So if you want to change it to another data type, then you have to do explicit conversion. That means a programmer has to perform the explicit conversion by himself. System will not do this for you. So simple. The basic definition is programmer has to convert the data type explicitly. Okay, so now why do we need typecasting? Now this is completely clear that where you need to transform the data to do any kind of operations, we have to explicitly do the typecasting. And some typecasting is already done by the system on our behalf, which is known as implicit typecasting, and mainly it converts the smaller data type to a larger data type. Like here we did a equals to 2, b equals to 3.5. So what happens here? A integer is a smaller data type because it is only 2, but more precision is required for float data types. That's why float is a bigger data types than integer. So what compiler does or interpreter does, they convert it from the smaller data type to a larger data type. That is here integer a equals to 2 is converted to a float data type, that is 2.0. So that is all about implicit or explicit typecasting. This is a very small topic in Python. Here this is the blog you can refer to. Okay. So enjoy. Let's meet in another video. Bye.